Number 75. So on this one, let's see, there are 7 adults being chosen, right there. And we want to know what's the probability that 4 of them have type O blood. There's a 44% chance. So I'm going to write that one up. And looks like this. So it's 7, choose 4. The probability is 0.44. Raise that to the 4th power, 4 successes, which means what's left over, 56%, and there are going to be 3 choices. The other thing you can do is do second vars and then binomial PDF. So binomial PDF on the calculator looks like this, right here, see it? Trials, 44%, type O, we want 4 of them. And either way, you do it by hand or with the calculator, you're going to get an answer of 0.23, or you have about a 23% chance of that happening. Okay, let's look at the next one. So let's look at number 77. How surprising would it be to get more than four adults with type O blood? Well, more than 4 adults means either 5 or 6 or 7. Don't forget we were testing on 7 adults here. So you could do the problem just like we did in 75 for 5 and for 6 and for 7. And then add them all together. But an easier way would be to use binomial CDF. See? Binomial CDF. What we're saying is 7 people, probability is 0.44, and 4 people. So CDF tells us 4 or less. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So we'll take whatever we get here, subtract it from 1, which will give us what's left over. Okay, so the answer for that is 0.85. So 0.85. So we'll say, well, 1 minus 0.85, actually it's 859, and it's approximately 0.14. So you have about a 14% chance that, what is it? More than 4 people will have that blood type. Okay, hopefully that's helpful right there. Why am I doing that? That right there. Okay, and I will see you on Friday.